Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome to this week's, or I guess next week's, because I'm uploading this early, assignment. You're going to notice that this assignment's a little bit different. It is a little bit more extensive. I'm kind of breaking it up similar to what we would do in a regular class. Now, we're going to start off with a refresher on a strategy that we have used in our class before. We're going to go into the do now, which would be similar to what you would do in my class, just a quick little problem, do it, submit an answer. And we're going to end with guided practice, which this time for this lesson is just one problem, and there's different sections for it, okay? So the first thing is, in order for you to be successful in today's lesson, you need to remember what this strategy stands for. So don't act surprised because we have heard of this before. Cubes, okay? And we know that each letter stands for something. The C stands for, you got it, circling important numbers. Like that. We know that the U stands for underlining the question. Now remember, this does not mean that we underline the whole word problem. It's just whatever is at the end. What are we trying to answer? What has literally the question mark? Next, we have B, which is box keywords. Boxing keywords. We have E, where we evaluate. And remember, we added our own part of it, and draw. And then lastly, our sentence, right? So you have to remember to follow these steps for today's word problems, all right? You want to always start by circling important numbers. You want to underline the question, just the question. You want to box keywords, keywords that help you understand the problem. Are we adding? Are we subtracting? Are we dividing, multiplying? E, evaluate, which really just means to solve, right? Do the work. And then draw something. Draw a diagram that helps you solve the problem. And then lastly, the sentence is super important. If your answers today are not in complete sentences, I will not be giving full credit, okay? So make sure that once you've worked out the problem, that you are answering it in a complete sentence. Boom. So go to the do now and try using cubes just for practice. Submit your answer, and I'll see you at the guided practice section. Alrighty, guys.